First go to Remove BG, then press on Chroma key. Make sure you leave as much detail as you can. Go over to Adjust and copy my settings. After, export full quality, then switch over to Node Video. Go to Asset Store and select Glow. Put threshold down to 0.01. Put scattering down some so the shine can stay close to the character. You can change the intensity based on how bright you want the glow to be. When you're done, export it, then head back to Capcut. Go to Adjust and set saturation to -50. Now, you can add an overlay of the color you want to add and fully cover the clip. Go to Splice and set it to Overlay. Export it. Add the original clip, go to Adjust, and click on HSL. Put the main colors of the clip saturation at -100. Avoid taking away the color of their skin if possible. After, add in the glow clip you exported a little while ago as an overlay. Set Splice to Overlay. Now go to Adjust and tweak the settings based on how dark the clip is already, as if that makes any sense. After, go back to Splice and turn down the overlay opacity a bit. Check it over, and if it's to your liking, export it, then you're done. Thank you for watching. If you have any tutorial requests, just comment below, and I'll get it done to the best of my abilities.